Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's world. And today is all about the women. Today we got some women watch faces. Guys, if you like it, you can check it out too. We got a giveaway going on. There's going to be 3 winners picked. All you got to do is comment down below. Share your comments on the watch face. Now, this is going to be a 2-part. We're going to do 2 today. We're going to do 2 on Sunday. You get an opportunity to pick between 4 nice watch faces. Okay, so make sure you comment down below. And with that, let's go ahead and kick off this review. Hey, welcome back to another video. And today, yes, we got some Valentine's Day watch faces for the ladies and gentlemen. Whoever likes this watch face, check it out. Now, it's by a guy named ACD Watch Faces. This guy definitely gets down. I like that somebody's thinking about the ladies. Ladies are really looking for nice looking watch faces and interactive watch faces as well. So if there's any other developers listening, the ladies are looking for some nice watch faces. So with that being said, ladies, this guy got out for you. Now, these are Valentine's Day watch faces. The name of this one is called Valentine 01. Okay? Now, if you look at it, it's red. It looks beautiful. Gives you your battery info at the top. Your day and your date. You also get your time in digital. You also get information on your steps, calories burned, and also your heart rate. So this looks really, really good. I'm liking this watch face. And you can customize the color. Okay? The color looks good. And this blue is shining through. Now, this blue right here looks beautiful. Now, we're going to show you on the Gear Sport as well. And this is the way it's going to look in always on mode, which isn't a bad look. But let's go ahead. Let's check this out in that blue. Because this one here, I'm telling you, that blue is gorgeous. Hold on, ladies. We'll get to it. So this is what it's going to look like on your Gear Sport. And if you got the Gears 3, your Gear is 3. What do you think, ladies? Is it a win? All right, let's go ahead. Let's check out number 2. Number 2, this one is called Valentine number 2. This one's nice. I like what you got going on with the hearts, the time, the PM stamp. So you get a digital time in the hearts. Over that, you get your day that's written out, and you also get your month, your date, and your year. That looks pretty cool as well. I like the font. Down at the bottom, you get info on calories burned, your steps, and your heart rate. So you still get information on your exercising. You don't lose anything. But if you look in the background, you got some animation going on there. I thought was pretty cool. But if you double tap, you can cycle through the different colors. And it has quite a few in all. You got to check this out. This is nice. You cycle through till you get to the one you like. And it's good. Let me show you on this one. I don't want you to think I forgot about the people who got the Gear Sport. So it's going to look just as good on this as it does on the Gears 3. If I can get it to change. All right, there go yellow. So what do you think? It's a good look. All right, make sure you comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. If it was, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.